In this position, there's one move for white which will get you a checkmate in 2, and the other moves are a checkmate in 3 or worse. Black just has the king, queen, and knights left. White has the king, pair of rooks, pair of knights, queen, bishop, and 5 pawns. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2 for white? Moving the queen to e5 only gets you a checkmate in 3. Black is forced to block with their queen. You can then move the knight in, but the king has an escape square. The queen can't take because it's pinned. Now you can checkmate in 3 but not 2 with the pawn, bishop, or queen. Checking the king by moving your queen to a5 won't get you a mate in 2 unless the king moves to d4, in which case you can checkmate in 2 with your pawn. However, black can block with their queen, which stops the mate in 2. The king has an escape square, and then you can just mate in 3 with the pawn. Moving the pawn to d5 is quite a nice checkmate in 3 but not 2. Black queen is pinned, black only has one move, then you can attack it with the other pawn. Black has to take the pawn with the knight, and then you can checkmate in just 3 with the bishop. Moving the queen to a3 is only a mate in 3, unless the king moves to d5, in which case you can checkmate in 2 with the queen. But black can block with their queen, and after you take, the king has an escape square, and after you move the rook down, it's only a mate in 3. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one, so pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the bishop to b3. If black moves their knight, you can take the queen with your queen to checkmate in 2. If black decides to take your queen with their queen, you can then move your knight to e6 to checkmate in 2. If black moves their king, you can then move the rook to b5 to checkmate in 2, with the queen being pinned by the bishop. That's it for this puzzle. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.